Hi, this is CiCi Huang, and my ID is Spring18ADJ, and this is the video to explain the new feature I add to Project Zero. So according to the suggestions, I add the collisions between two planets. So when two planets collide together, there will be some special effects. Let's begin. So I add this new image to the project file, especially in the images file, collision GIF with other images. I also create nobody extreme and planet extreme just to test the extra features. So I will show you the differences between the original file and what's gonna happen like after modifying the file. So let's choose some example from data. I would choose 3 examples. The first one is this planet's party. So let's type in using the original nobody file, and this is the default parameters I gave it to it. Planets party txt. This is the original file. As you can see, there's no collisions. And this is what happened after I add the collision special effects. And this is what happened because like the planets they collide with each other, and each planet would have the image kind of covering them, and you can see there are some collisions happening. And like the planets would just go by their original paths, and we can see, and then they just gradually disappeared in the background. Also, there's another one. I won't show you the original file, I will just show you what happened with the collision. You can see the planets are moving towards each other. I haven't figured out like how to create that exact collisions, but you do see like the planets that will have collisions would have the image that covering them, and you can sort of see that there are some collisions happening, and you can see like the movements and like how they kind of move towards each other and then move backwards and just kind of disappeared, and the sun in the middle is always being collided by other planets, so he will always have this collision effect. And I will show you the other example. Sorry. I should set the default value first. Let's wait. As you can see, these planets are moving in 4 different directions, and since there are many planets moving towards one direction, they will just kind of collide with each other, and this will create these beautiful orange lines. And you can see like this image do move like towards like the boundary of this interface, and that's what my special effect does. So I want to explain what code I especially add to that nobody extreme file. So after the updating of each planet, I use one for loop inside another one, like to check if to check if two planets have the exact same x pose and y pose. If they do have the same, I would use std draw to kind of draw the collision GIF that I showed you earlier in this image file at the position where they collide, and then I will pause, like kind of pause the collision for 5 milliseconds, and then like the for loop just keeps going to check if there are other planets that collide. And after each update, I think there should be some chances for two planets to collide. That's why this special effect is really useful, because it can show how planets interact with each other, and this can bring the users a good sense of what happened in this universe that we created. I am still trying to figure out how to create that exact collision, so I want to improve my code and to see if I can actually do that. And that's just like for now, because that's like the end of this video, and I hope you really enjoy it. I will upload it to my YouTube later and send you the link. Thank you.